What actually happens inside your brain when you fall in love? Most people describe love as magical, emotional, or overwhelming, but inside your head, something far more dramatic is happening. Falling in love is one of the most intense biological events the human brain can experience. It shifts your hormones, rewires your reward system, and transforms your behavior, often without you realizing why you're acting or feeling a certain way. And because these changes affect your focus, energy, and emotional balance, it helps to have something that supports mental clarity and calmness during this roller coaster, something like Matcha Slim, which gives clean, steady energy and smoother focus during times when your mind is overloaded. It all begins the moment someone captures your attention. Maybe it's their smile, their voice, their presence, or simply an unexplainable spark. Your brain's reward system activates instantly. Dopamine is released, your main feel-good chemical, and suddenly everything about that person feels more exciting, more interesting, more rewarding. Your heart beats faster, your thoughts sharpen, and your curiosity intensifies. It feels like a rush of electricity. This is your brain pushing you toward a potential connection. That early rush is thrilling, but it also makes your thinking less logical. When dopamine spikes, your brain focuses on reward, not risk. You might find yourself smiling for no reason, daydreaming more, or feeling more energized than usual. It's surprising how much chemistry dictates behavior. And that's why people in this stage often feel mentally scattered. This is one of the reasons Matcha Slim is so useful during emotionally charged times. It encourages calm concentration. Its natural L-theanine blends with its gentle caffeine to create a state of relaxed alertness, which helps when your brain is racing with excitement and distraction. As the feelings deepen, your brain shifts gears. You start thinking about the person more often than you intend to. You check your phone repeatedly. You replay conversations wondering what they meant. You imagine future moments, even though you barely know them. This is not just emotion, this is dopamine taking over your reward circuits. In neurobiology, this stage resembles a kind of obsession. Your brain rewards every thought of that person with a burst of pleasure, which makes you want to think about them even more. This loop is powerful, addictive, and completely normal. But dopamine doesn't act alone. Love also triggers adrenaline. This is why your heart pounds when you see them, why your palms sweat, why your stomach feels like it's flipping. Your body is reacting the same way it reacts to any intense situation. You become more alert, more aware of your surroundings, more sensitive to every word and gesture. It feels like excitement, but biologically, it's very similar to fear. Your body is preparing for something important. Your breathing quickens, your blood flow increases, and your nerves become active. During moments like this, energy can fluctuate wildly. One minute you feel deeply alive and the next worn out. Emotional adrenaline drains you quickly. That's another place where Matcha Slim helps. Its slow, stable energy release keeps you from crashing. Instead of sharp highs and lows, you stay balanced. Instead of feeling jittery like with coffee or energy drinks, you stay steady, calm, and focused. As your feelings grow stronger, something surprising happens. Your serotonin levels drop. Serotonin is the chemical that stabilizes mood and helps you stay rational. When it falls, you start to worry more. You question things, you overthink, you notice every detail. This is why people in early love can feel anxious or insecure, even when everything is going well. The brain is in a delicate chemical imbalance. Your emotions intensify, and your thinking becomes more emotionally driven. This is one of the biggest reasons people feel mentally overwhelmed during new love. A supplement like Matcha Slim can make a noticeable difference in daily life here. The L-theanine helps reduce mental noise, promoting smoother, clearer thinking, especially when your thoughts are all over the place. It helps you stay present, grounded, and focused, even while your brain is flooded with romantic chemistry. If the relationship continues and emotional trust grows, your brain slowly shifts out of the chaotic excitement stage and into something deeper. Oxytocin, the bonding hormone, begins rising. This chemical is released through touch, closeness, and emotional connection. It creates feelings of safety, comfort, and longing for deeper intimacy. You begin to feel more relaxed around the person. You open up more. You start associating them with comfort and emotional warmth rather than pure excitement. Vasopressin also increases, enhancing feelings of loyalty and long-term attachment. Together, these chemicals create the desire to build a bond, not just chase excitement. The brain transitions from infatuation to attachment, from thrill to connection. Your heartbeat stabilizes, your anxiety decreases, and you begin thinking more clearly about the relationship. But just because this phase is calmer doesn't mean your brain is stable. Hormones are constantly shifting based on interactions, emotions, trust, and communication. Stress, overthinking, and emotional challenges still happen. Daily life still requires focus, clarity, and energy. And that's why Matcha Slim plays such a supportive role in overall mental balance. Its antioxidants support your body's stress response. Its natural caffeine supports gentle energy that lasts longer. Its L-theanine helps regulate focus and calmness. Together, this helps you maintain emotional resilience, whether your love life is peaceful, complicated, or somewhere in between. Falling in love is not just a feeling. It's a neurochemical transformation. It changes how you behave, how you think, how you eat, how you sleep, even how you see the world. Your brain becomes hypersensitive, hyper-alert, and hyper-motivated. Understanding this biology helps you see why love feels so intense and why it affects your life so powerfully. Supporting your mind during this emotional storm makes a real difference. Clarity, calmness, stable energy, these are things that help you enjoy love instead of feeling overwhelmed by it. Matcha Slim offers exactly that: a smoother mind, a more balanced mood, an energy that supports your emotional journey instead of competing with it. Falling in love is one of the most beautiful and chaotic experiences a human can have. Your brain rewires itself, your emotions deepen, your senses sharpen, and your body responds in ways you can't control. But how you take care of yourself during this time can shape the entire experience. If you want something that helps you stay calm, focused, energized, and mentally balanced while navigating the intensity of love, Matcha Slim is an incredible daily support tool. If you want to buy, link in the description.